I want to know, and I'm sure all our viewers want to know, how is it that you guys don't pay taxes?
Legally.
Legally.
You can always do it as a crook, but we don't want you to do that, right?
Today, I'm going to financially save you from doing the stupidest thing you're going to do, and that is go buy a new car. But I'm going to show you how to save tens of thousands of dollars from a lesson and a guy in a Lambo getting pulled over from a frustrated cop that probably shouldn't be pulling him over. But that's not the part that matters. It's something he says. Take a listen.
Police officer here in my rearview mirror. I have no idea what for, because I have a radar detector. I knew where he was the second he pulled out from a Starbucks. Did the speed limit all the way here. Cruising with my buddy ahead, Anthony in the Porsche. And yeah, he like followed us off the highway and pulled us over. So I am curious to know why.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Can you grab a license registration, sobriety?
Yeah.
That guy is your friend, right? You're together?
Yeah, he's a friend of mine. We're just cruising.
Okay.
Why did you pull us over?
Somebody call out saying you're coming by because you have many calls. You know that, right?
I have many what?
Calls, many people calling about you.
For what?
Just the way you drive.
That's
You didn't know that?
well, that's impossible. I just left my house and I've done the speed limit all the way here.
Not today, like before, so.
So, what's that? Oh yeah, driver's license.
All right, so is this yours?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your first name?
There you go, Damon.
And then you tell me.
Yeah, Damon Fryer.
Okay, now what's your current address?
There you go, that's the one on there.
And how come you still have it in Alberta plate?
Oh, this is a corporate vehicle.
Corporate, okay, so
It's not personal use yet.
So do you drive back and forward, or is that how it works?
Yeah.
Or? Okay.
Did you hear it? Listen one more time. You might have missed it.
Oh, this is a corporate vehicle.
Corporate, okay, so
It's not personal use yet.
Well, let me explain to you what he means by this car is for a corporation. Most people, you probably in particularly, work a job where you're paying a 30% tax rate or probably higher. So if you're making 100 grand, at least say goodbye to almost 30 of that. However, if you actually have an incorporated business, which really is easy, even with a tiny side hustle income while you're still working a full-time job, you can buy a car under a corporation. And let me just explain to you very briefly the tax dollars. This will literally save you in the tens of thousands, because you don't realize when you're buying your car, you think, hey, this is just a $40,000 vehicle. However, to make that $40,000, how much tax did you have to pay? Because if it was at that 30% bracket, my goodness, you are getting royally screwed. Because if you were to buy it in a corporation, it is what we call a write-off. What is a write-off? Well, it just means you need that for your business. And you'd be surprised how much travel, cars, food you're renting, or the place you're living at could be written down from your income, and that gets deducted from paying tax on it. So if this guy's buying a Lamborghini for $100,000, he's not paying 30% to make the 100K and then buying the car for $100,000. No. He's buying the car for whatever it costs, avoiding that and lowering his corporation's income tax bracket. Now, this is a confusing ordeal to the bleak-minded that don't want to put the effort in to understand this, but I'm telling you, as a Canadian, the corporate tax rate is 3% on the first $500,000. But if you made $500,000, you put $100,000 into a car, well, now you're only paying 3% tax on $400,000, and on top of that, you're going to be able to depreciate that car against your further income every single year because it's probably losing value. This guy is a bloody genius, and you just don't recognize it.